Hey everyone, welcome to Online Education Academy ZA. Today we'll learn how to easily draw a butterfly. Butterfly tutorial will draw a straight line like this. Then we can draw a line coming this way. Then maybe another line. Then we can stretch the line further. Then we draw a second line next to that line. Then we go join them. Then we join this part, and then we join this part. How to easily draw butterfly for kids. And you can design your butterfly. Make it design like this, like this, like this. And then you have this part and this part. And we can have extra lines like this. This is our butterfly. It's how easy it is to draw a butterfly for kids. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe.